Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and today I'm doing a lovely video. As you can see in the title, it is a acai and grape and cherry drink. I don't have lime, so I'm going to go ahead and we are going to pretend that we have lime. As always, I will put everything in the description, of course. I am going to, for this recipe, I really wanted to use a juicer and the blender, but I have to improvise and do what I have to do. Using some grapes. These are really nice and sweet. And I'm also using some frozen cherries, and instead of some acai powder, I decided to go to Whole Foods and use the acai frozen cubes. Again, I'll leave everything in the description. We will see what happens. And then I would have used some lime with it as well. I'm going to go ahead and put the acai and cherries into the blender. And now I'm going to go ahead and put the lovely grapes inside of the blender as well. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend this lovely grapes and cherries and acai up. I have my lovely acai, cherry, and grape, so you know it's really sweet. I could tell already if it had lime in it, it would just really set it off really well. Let's try it together. Currants is really good. It's very tangy and sweet. Well, like I told you all, this video is going to be short and quick, and be sure to check out my other videos that I will do, and the videos that are on my channel with smoothies and juices and vlogs and all the things. As always, I wish you all to continue to be blessed, be well, and be true to yourself. Peace, divines.